Dear friends, as promised in my earlier video of the visit to Prague City Day 1, in this video I will show you our paid tour to Astronomical Clock Tower and the Old Town Hall in Prague, Czech Republic. The Prague Astronomical Clock is a medieval astronomical clock attached to the Old Town Hall in Old Town Square, Prague. The clock was first installed in 1410, making it the third oldest astronomical clock in the world and the oldest clock still in operation. The clock mechanism has three main components: the astronomical dial, representing the position of the sun and moon in the sky, and displaying various astronomical details. Statues of various Catholic saints stand on either side of the clock. The Walk of the Apostles, an hourly show of moving apostle figures and other sculptures, notably a figure of a skeleton that represents death, striking the time, and a calendar dial with medallions representing the months. Inside the large black outer circle of the clock, it lies another movable circle marked with the signs of the zodiac, which indicates the location of the sun on the ecliptic. The signs are shown in anti-clockwise order. Every hour between 9 a.m. and 11 p.m., statues of the 12 apostles with their attributes appear at the doorways above the clock. The left and right windows above the astronomical clock slide aside to reveal the apostles as viewed from the square. You can have a paid visit to the clock tower through the city hall. You can walk or take the lift to the top to see an amazing panoramic view of Prague City and the Old Town Square. The other part of the building is the Old Town Hall in Prague. In 1338, the councilors of the Old Town bought a large patrician house and adapted it for their purposes. Over the following centuries, the original town hall building largely disappeared because of renovations and expansion of the building. The Old Town Hall consists of a set of several historical houses. Its representational significance was also significant. It is also evidenced by a number of historical interiors that have retained their original appearance to this day. Among them is the Old Council Hall from the early 15th century, which is one of the most picturesque Gothic interiors in Europe. The complex of medieval cellars, which is located under the Old Town Hall, is even older than the town hall itself. Its Romanesque part is a beautiful work of 12th century architecture. During the paid tour, you can see these sections of the building, including a journey through the underground complex of early days houses. So dear friends, this is the end of my video on the astronomical clock tower and the old town hall in Prague. I will see you soon with another amazing video on beauty of the world.